In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. I tend to remove Google search bar on almost every new phone I set up. That's just because I like the cleaner look with only my apps. If you want to do the same, hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, hit remove in the middle and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. But don't worry, if you want to restore it, you can always do that by pinching your device's display. It works like that on almost every new Samsung smartphone. Hit widgets between themes and settings at the bottom and scroll to look for Google app. When you find it, click on it, scroll again and tap on your search bar. Select Add, hold it, drag it to the proper place, let go and tap on Home button. As you can see, my search bar is back. This method is 100% safe and reversible. You are just using built-in Android tools. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!